both houses ng Senate at the House of Representatives. After the ratification, so lalabas din yung enrolled bill, pupunta na yung babalik sa Presidente. The President will sign the budget for it to become effective for the budget to operate the following year. Didiretso na lang ako, medyo mahaba kasi yung pag-usapan natin. Sa nakita ko kasi, may nakita akong maraming kulang sa BICAM report. Yung bicameral conference committee report, pinirmahan kahit may mga nakikita tayong bangko. So far, ito yung nakikita ko na pages na kulang. Page SP 11, page SP 12, page SP 13, page SP 15, page SP 17, page SP 20, page SP 21, page SP 22, page SP 36, page SP 37, page SP 162, page SP 168, page SP 183. Mostly from the Department of Agriculture and on program appropriations. So let's go directly